Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Luxembourg. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of tourist visa for any country, the very first thing we should check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visa permits we have, we may or may not actually need a visa, right? All right, guys, so let's see. So in front of you, I have opened this Embassy of Luxembourg in New Delhi, and you should always check the process as per the official entity or any other governing body of your destination country that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be uh, unique or additional steps, documents, even fee also. So let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened Embassy of Luxembourg in New Delhi, and they have a consular section where they have a link for visa and immigration. Okay. Now, like many other Schengen countries, they have also outsourced it to VFX in India. Okay. So same steps we are going to follow, like overall, like apply, like fill the documents, collect the documents, get the picture, everything. Book an appointment, go there, pay the fee, submit your application. That may include your biometric submission too. Okay. And then if granted, you are all good. So we'll begin with this. So first is identify the visa type. So let's say tourist Schengen. Okay. Short term. So fee is given in INR. Okay. And it varies. There is like a service fee that you have to pay. Some are optional, like premium lounge. Okay. And print out photo facility, courier facility. So these things, if you want, you can take it. If you don't want, you don't have to take it. Okay. And even payment of mode is given. Cash, cash they accept, and also cards they accept. So fine. Document required, application form, filled, signed, recent passport size photograph that will go through. Copies of Schengen visa obtained during past 5 years if you have. Passport, okay, 3 months validity beyond the date of return and two blank pages plus one copy, okay. Proof of accommodation, hotel booking, Airbnb or whatever you have. Complete travel program into alternate date and places, okay. Proof of means of transport and flight ticket, you can say. Covering letter, okay. Proof of sufficient finance. See, for applying through India, they need this, but for other countries, they may not need this last one. So that's what I say, that based on your location, it may vary. Employment contract, salary slip, so last 3 months, and this needs to be registered, attested by your bank. Letter from your bank stating credit limit on your credit card, okay. Proof of personal bank account in last 3 months, okay, fine. Employment contract. So if you're a student, similar letter from your college, okay, or university, whatever you are at. Medical insurance of minimum 30,000 euros. This I see for all the European countries, not just Schengen countries. Minors have some additional like requirements. Now we'll go for the checklist. Same thing. Form, recent photograph, passport, Schengen visa last 5 years is applicable, hotel reservation, flight tickets, proof of complete travel program. Oh, sorry, this is like your cover letter. 7 is for that flight ticket and other things. The same thing that your business letter, right? Okay, fine. That cover letter, like for tourism, you can write it over here. Number 6. And if you're going for business letterhead, then you need. Okay. Oh, this is like vacation letter, like leave letter. Okay, I got confused with this, but this leave letter. Okay, proof of sufficient financial means fine. Travel insurance, minor documents. Standard processing time is 15 days. Application received at the embassy, but yeah, it could take more. And if they want, they can ask for additional documents, and in some cases, an interview too, if they feel like, not in every case. Name and address on the sticker. Okay. Passport number, VFS tab, applicant name. All right. That's okay. Harmonized document list. Let's see what's that. Okay. In details. So you can go through that. That's fine. Photo specification. This is generally same for almost all Schengen countries, but still it's important that when you go to a professional photographer, go with these details so that there is no chance for any mistake. Visa application form, processing time we know already. We also we know. So let's go through that. Pretty simple, and this is free. Surname, surname and birth, first name, given name, you can say. Make sure it matches with your passport. And this section is rightmost column is for official use. Don't write anything there. Date of birth, make sure you meet the format. Place of birth, country of birth, nationality of birth, if different, other nationalities. India does not allow dual nationality, so don't worry about it. Gender, civil status, parental authority in case of my national identity number. So when I had applied, I had used my PAN card number and it was happily accepted, but that was years ago. Now, if you are an Indian citizen, you have Aadhaar card and other things. Type of travel document that you can even mention in your cover letter. Type of travel document. So most of us will have ordinary passport. Number of passport number, date issue expiry, you country, personality of family member who is an EU, USA citizen. Surname, first name, date of birth, nationality, number of travel document. Family relationship with an EU ENCS citizen. Applicant home address and email address, telephone number. There's a country other than the country of current nationality that you have to enter. Current occupation, employer address. Okay. If you are not employed like a student, then same thing for your educational institution. Purpose for tourism, you're going to select tourism. Additional information. So this is an opportunity. You can specify more things like what are you going to do? For example, tourism, you're going, what are you going to do? So that you can definitely specify so that there is no confusion about how genuine your application is. Member state of main destination and first entry. So do it as per your case, but it matters a lot. And if you're applying through Luxembourg, this is important because this determines where you're going to apply. Number of entries requested, intended date of arrival, Schengen area. Now, biometrics previously collected for applying for a Schengen visa. If yes, provide the date. If no, then and if it's your first Schengen visa, then just click no and proceed. Entry permit to final country of destination where applicable. So this is like who is inviting you over there, number 30. If no one is inviting, then hotel, then provide hotel details and provide their details. Name and address of inviting company details. So for business, visa and all, it's important. Cost of traveling, if you're paying by yourself, check this box and see and select what are the things you have cash, traveler, check credit card, whatever things you're going to carry. If a sponsor, then you need to select that and then provide what are the things that are being provided. Then in that case, you need a letter from sponsor and their ID document as well. Place and date, sign. Okay. And then you can go to the next step of VFS. You can book an appointment, go with the fee and all the documents submitted, biometric collection if applicable. And then after application submitted, wait for the decision. If decision comes in your favor, you're all good to go. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.